Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Sam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. All right, so I'm just popping on today real briefly to share with you a few of the journals that I mass produced to send out for Mother's Day. I have a couple left, and I wanted to just walk you through the process in which I used to create them. Now, last month I showed you how I made the background prints that I used for the journal covers, along with a few other projects I used the background prints for. So again, I just used regular stamp ink, and white cardstock. Once they dried, I scanned them in, printed them out on white cardstock, and the weight is up to you depending on the project that you're going to use. I think I used the Nina White 20-pound cardstock. Is it 20 or 40? One of the two, but it's the heavier weight. Anyways, and so now for this basic one, I didn't want this one to be too complicated because I wasn't sure who it was going to go out to, but I made two of these. One was sent to my stepdaughter because she definitely is a wild and free type of child. I just used journal cards for all three covers, and I supported it with coffee dyed paper, and then I stitched around that on the sewing machine, and then I just adhered it down. So the journal card is stitched onto the paper, and the paper is glued down. It's not glued down to it's not stitched onto the cover. And then I stitched around. Well, before I did that, I used another journal card to make the pocket. Just used a corner punch to make it a little rounder, and then another journal card here. And then once I had the journal cards glued in place, I went on ahead and stitched around the entire cover on the sewing machine. And on the back, you'll see my little Design and Handcrafted by Livie's Lovelies logo, which I thought was, just a good reminder in case they wanted to purchase one in the future for themselves or someone else. And then the inside is a little digital that I created. And I did not have a really good sharp blade, and I didn't use the guillotine. I had to use a box cutter, but nevertheless, I'm fine with the edges being slightly jagged, if you can see there. Not a big problem for me. It just adds character. It's those little flaws that add character. But so I'm just going to go through a few of the pages. I think I did it on a previous video, but I created this printable so that I can print it quickly on the fly as a whole and not have to, figure out which page goes where. And so it has a few prompts on here. Fearfully and wonderfully made, with my favorite girl in the butterfly dress. Today I'm grateful for, and you'll see that throughout the journal. And there's lots of room to write. This is less of an art journal and more of a writing journal. Life is a gift to be lived and shared. Again, today I'm grateful for. Kindness is the key. And the other journals, their pages are pretty much the same. Home is where the heart is. And I love that watercolor treehouse. Isn't that adorable? Love heals all wounds and time. I should have said love and time, but love does heal all wounds. It doesn't take a lot of time for that. This never fails. The phone will always ring when I've got the camera rolling. Give me a second, guys. I'm going to have to call you back in 2 minutes, okay? Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. All right. Take time to smell the roses. And then there's that pretty little rose there. The stronger the tree, the deeper the roots. That's just an ode to family. And then you have a few blank pages. Be the change. And then there's the butterfly, you know, symbolic of change. Today I'm grateful for. And everything blooms in its own time. Let's see. And then we have you were always meant to fly. And then there's the dragonfly, which I actually love, the little dragonfly. And then there's the back cover. So all of these have the same pages on the inside. This one, journal card on the outside, stitched around. I added some lace to the side to kind of camouflage the binding. I thought that that was really pretty. Just add a little bit more feminine, more of a feminine touch to it. Taking it all in, guys. And then a little bit of foiling there. And then the cards that I use for that one are the little tassels. And then there's the foiling on those. And again, I supported, so you have the background print. On the opposite side is, I think it's just designer paper. It's cardstock. And then you have, in the middle is something to add reinforcement to the binding so that it doesn't, the pages aren't ripped out. And then here's the back cover with another journaling card, and I just stamped there. It says where there's love, there's life. And then for the last one, I loved the contrast of this this lace and how it, you know, it kind of goes along with Live in the Sunshine. And I love the flowers here and the gold foiling. So I made several of each of these. The ones that were sent out have different pockets, but I may make some available in the Etsy shop. So if you're interested, drop a comment below, and I'll let you guys know. I could either send you a PayPal invoice, or you can just make it, you know, shop when it becomes available on the Etsy shop. You're more than welcome to grab one there. And then the back pocket has the little bicycles with a little bit of the foiling. You see, there we go. And so those were my three, the three that I have right now. And I actually have someone in mind for all three of these, but nevertheless, I intend to drop some over into the Etsy shop to make available, and maybe you can purchase one as a gift for a friend or whomever. All right, so thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys are working on out there in the creative community. Are you working on journals? Are you journaling? Are you out and about and venturing, you know, enjoying the summer weather? And what do you guys got planned for the rest of the summer? All right. Thanks so much for watching again. And until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.